That's why Grandma stopped playing that game. She's like, I ain't got time for this. I know you lying.
We're going to have lots of fun.
What's that, Beetlejuice? Cousin? What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for tuning in with me today. I know it has been a lot of horror being uploaded back to back to back. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna get some other stuff out to y'all soon. It's just quick and easier for me to record horror stuff because 9 times out of 10 is short versus, you know, story games, which I've been recording in the background. Just give me a minute to edit. But with all that being said, I am here to say we're watching 3 horror movies that I picked out, and I'm excited to just check these movies out. I haven't reacted to horror since what, October? We're in December. Even though I should be watching some Christmas type of animations next. That's new. We haven't reacted to any animations. We can probably bust that out. Some cute little friendly Christmas, you know, we could probably do like a Christmas horror, a Christmas animation. We'll see. Anyway, not to make this intro long because we got some movies to go to. Y'all already know, based off me yapping, y'all can throw those timestamps below. I always give credit to those people who created the movies and all, you know, that lovely stuff down below. Timestamps, credit, what else? And just some love, okay? Just some love. So, without further ado, y'all know what to do. Without further ado, y'all know what to do. And if you don't know what to do, there we go. Get some water. Get you a little drink, you know, another little drink to accompany it. Get you some snacks. And let's get into these horror movies, okay, y'all? Let's get into it. Okay, so the first movie we're going to be reacting to is called Don't Let Them In. And I feel like this is probably based off vampire. Yeah, y'all know how I feel about vampires, but I'm here to, you know, I'm here to give variety. So who cares what I feel? So yeah, this is brought to us by Screamfest. It's directed by David Lawrence, and we're gonna just see what they're talking about, okay? Negative Space Films. Speaking of water, let me drink some. Already starting off. Demons are like obedient dogs. They call when they are called. Oh, they come when they are called. And what we learn, don't call them. Yeah, I'm watching this in the daytime. Never mind. What I'm about to say is irrelevant. A seat of our opinion. Did I read that right? Oh, no. I'm scared. I'm scared already. I should turn on my hallway light, shouldn't I? What that is?
Ma'am, could you please give us a ride?
Give me eye contact.
Sorry,
No.
I can't help you.
Ugh. And that's when you hit that smooth reverse.
Please, ma'am.
Or forward, whichever you gotta go.
We just need a
Hurry up,
ride.
girl. Oh Lord, they done took over her car.
Leave me alone. Please.
How many are there?
Please
You got the same girl?
go. Go away.
Child. Is this the same lady? How you get past that? Okay, you went on a hot
I'm
date.
home.
How was your day, baby? No way I'm blasting music that loud and I'm home alone. Oh.
You're still at it?
I'm on that date too.
How was your fundraiser?
Well, it was a big success. It would have been nice if you had come. Everyone is asking about you.
I'm on a deadline.
You know, Dan, there are some things that are more important than work.
Exactly.
Please, Rachel, don't start.
I'm just saying, it would have been nice to have you there.
Nothing is more important than this. Why is that so hard for you to understand?
He don't love you, girl.
You still
Hey,
writing that scary book
nothing.
of yours?
What, the one that freaks you out? Yes.
Well, at least you won't expect me to proofread it. What are these? I haven't seen you draw since you were in college.
Story inspirations.
This isn't exactly what your publisher is expecting from you.
Well, that's the point. You know, this is the one that's really going to hit. It's going to change everything.
This one. Look at these. This is like the mind of a lunatic.
It's research.
It's obsessive.
Why don't you say what you really want to say?
I want a divorce.
You need to sell another book, Dan.
She said your writing is
I'm
terrible.
sorry. What did
Look
you
at
go
this
back to
couple fight,
writing what
y'all.
you know?
Mm.
You know what? I'm going to take
You
a
hit him
shower.
with that High School Musical. Stick to what you know.
Going to bed?
Status quo.
Yeah.
So at the beginning, we was watching his story. Got it. Girl, you better get from down there. Your husband is summoning the demons on you, girl. Who was listening to the jazz music? Because it didn't sound like it was coming in that room with him. It sounded like it was coming from upstairs. Yo, your husband ain't. Oh, no, you ain't. I don't got a phone. We Amish.
Hello?
Girl.
Use your phone.
Y'all tripping.
Hon, what are you doing out so late? Where are your parents?
They're worried about us. We need to call them.
That's
Don't you have a
unfortunate.
cell phone?
Please, ma'am. My
Smart.
sister is scared.
Where do
Okay.
you live? Give me your home phone number and I'll call your parents for you.
I like her. Yes, honey.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, I'll call the police and tell them that you need their help and it'll only be a few minutes before they get here, okay?
I love her. I love her.
There's no need to do that.
Oh no, he's in there already.
Dan!
Girl, run up the stairs. Now, look, I said I love you. Run up the stairs.
Let us in. We just need you to open that door. We're not going to hurt you. We're just kids.
I ain't get scared.
If we
Run
wanted to
upstairs.
hurt you, we would have broken in already.
Dan up here contemplating life.
Let us in.
Please, ma'am.
Girl. Your wife down there getting desold. Desold.
Shit.
Yeah, your books came to life.
Rachel!
Hi, honey. And grab him by the neck. 1 year later. Oh my. What could have changed? Oh, not the baby. Don't hurt the baby.
Hi.
Okay, all these women look
got it.
alike.
I got you the interview.
Oh, you're kidding. That's great.
He can only meet with you tomorrow.
Okay.
He's not particularly happy about plugging this book.
So I've read.
He all but disappeared after his wife died. Why are you pushing so hard for
Black
this?
eyed kids.
I just think it's a fascinating story.
Mr. Metzger, I'm Sarah Foster.
Your home is really lovely. I've always been a fan of your work. I think I've read every book twice.
I would have left.
I'd offer you a drink, but I can see you're in no condition.
Oh,
You give me
I
water.
guess congrats are in order.
thank you. It's my first. A boy.
I'm not doing many press interviews for this book. But you're very, very persistent.
The Black-Eyed Kids is different from your other books.
And you want to know if I'm planning a follow-up?
No, not exactly. I'm more interested in the process of writing the book, how you researched it, the encounters.
That's all urban legend.
You're known for going to great lengths to immerse yourself in the subject you're writing about.
Well, I wouldn't say I go overboard.
When you wrote your first collection of short stories, you trained for months as a boxer to get an inside perspective. I found a picture of you with a huge shiner.
Well, back then, everyone wanted to be Rocky.
It's just, you've never written about the paranormal before. And there are things in this book that don't seem
What?
Real?
made up,
Mm.
like fiction. Was Rachel aware of the research you were doing with this book?
Why are you asking me about my wife?
Because I've seen them, Mr. Metzger.
They're just stories.
No,
Oh, wait. Is this the
I know
lady
they're
that was in the
real.
car?
so do you.
I'm confused. Hold on.
Yeah, you should
brain.
leave.
Process.
No, wait. One night in my car,
Okay.
2 kids knocked on the window asking for a ride. They looked at me with the most terrifying eyes I've ever seen. They were pure black.
Black.
Almost,
Hypnotic.
yes.
Tango.
And if you hold their gaze long enough, they'll pull you in.
What do they want?
They want a soul.
Mm.
And they'll keep coming back until they get it. Not yours. Someone close to you.
The
Is that
baby.
what happened with your wife?
No.
Mr. Metzger,
Look, we're not going to talk about the book.
why am I seeing them?
You did something to invoke them. Just like I did. While I
What you was in that car
researching
doing?
the book, I tapped into something I never should have messed with.
But they can't come in unless you invite them, right?
Have vampires, babe.
Right?
They should have come after me, not her. I brought this on.
She opened the door, didn't she? Didn't she?
Rachel
was rooting
didn't
for her,
die
too.
of a brain aneurysm like they ruled. That's just how they explained it away. But I saw her face, Sarah. I saw the horror on her face after they
I was
drained
not
the soul
expecting
from her
that.
body.
That shocked me. That shocked me.
I know what happens.
I bet I get jump scares. I knew it. I knew it. I felt it. It gave very much like that scene from Insidious. No. Is it Insidious or The Conjuring? Whatever that red man face was behind old dude. That's what it gave. And I knew something was about to happen. That was pretty good. I'm not gonna hold you. That one was pretty good. I enjoyed it. It scared me. And it had a nice storyline. And I'm glad they got that figured out. And I thought I was gonna be confused. But yeah. Don't let them black-eyed kids in. Don't let them black-eyed adults in. Anybody with black eyes. Don't let them in. Let's go to the next movie. All right, so this next movie we're going to be reacting to is called Your Date is Here. And this is brought to us by Midnight Video. And yeah, we're just going to go and see what this is talking about as well. I like watching horror movies with you guys. I don't be as scared. I be scared, but not as scared. What is that hand? What is it? I'm seeing stuff. Am I making things there that's not there? Your date is here. See, already
this one.
with that black shadow coming through the door.
I have not seen
I don't
this
trust it.
game in forever. This was your grandma's game. And this, believe it or not, was what a phone used to look like. Hello?
Oh, somebody gonna be talking on that phone.
I want to open the door.
Nope. Okay, you don't open the door until you land on the corner, and you have to get all of your date's details. And most importantly, you do not want to land on the dweeb. Okay, you go first, babe. Oh, you got a phone call, which means you get to talk to your potential date. Just push this button.
Hello?
Hi, would you like to get some ice cream sometime?
It's an ice cream day.
Oh, okay. Well, don't spoil your appetite. Pizza's on the way, remember?
Wait, this actually would be kind of like a cool game, but I'm just trying to understand how does it work for real. And she cheating. She going without you.
I got the phone again.
Okay, press the red button and it'll ring.
Hello?
Hello, little girl. It's gonna scare everybody.
Uh-huh.
Mama, don't drink. You gotta stay awake.
Sorry, she's a little busy right now.
What did he say?
Who was it, honey?
It was for you. I said you were busy. He didn't like that.
Oh, well, I only brought 2 drinks anyway.
Your turn.
Okay.
It's time to get serious, y'all. Buckle up. Are they face scratched out?
Says, your date has black eyes.
The black eyed kids, they done grown up. They done grown up on us, y'all.
Weird.
Maybe you got the dweeb.
Maybe.
She said, well, what make that a dweeb?
Mom, I'm gonna play your turn, okay?
Okay.
Why you want to take your mama turn?
Bye.
Why you keep getting the phone calls?
Hello?
Your mother on the... Oh, that... I'm drinking. What?
What's wrong, honey?
You don't hear
What
that?
is it?
I'm done with this game. I'm gonna go play in my room.
Honey, just because you got the dweeb doesn't mean you lost. Fine. Leave your mom all alone to play by herself.
I'm scared, y'all. This game, this game and this like camera footage style is just making me feel more intimate, and I don't like it. I feel like I'm in the room with them.
I got the phone again.
Oh no.
Hello?
Open the door to see what I look like.
Oh no. That's why Grandma stopped playing that game. She's like, I ain't got time for this. I know you lying.
We're going to have lots of fun.
What's that, Beetlejuice cousin? Oh no. He kind of looks like that thing from Roger the Rabbit. I'm gonna insert the clip when I can, y'all.
Your date is here.
See, look, that part right there would have made me like, nah, we ain't playing this. Nope, nope, look behind in front.
Hey, I got a pizza here.
Jesus Christ. Pizza guy, of course.
Y'all saw that shadow in the back? Whew.
$10.50, please.
Oh, sir,
Come
why you
eat,
being a
baby.
creep?
Pizza's here. Extra cheese.
Why he turn around like that?
Are you feeling okay?
Yeah, can we watch a movie now?
Sure. But hey, I don't appreciate you drawing on your grandma's game like that.
I didn't draw anything. Can I pick the movie?
Look at that girl laughing.
Sure.
Y'all so goofy. Y'all over there giggling together. That pizza looked delicious.
Okay. Here you go, honey.
Thanks.
So, what did your date say before, you quit the game?
The way she keep lifting that thing up. Oh my God. I knew it. I said that. I said the way that pizza box keep lifting up. And the way I'm predicting these movies, I am becoming a connoisseur. My eyes got watery. That was a good movie. All right. 2 for 2. That was a good movie. Why did they turn the comments off? I wonder. That's interesting. I never seen a video where the comments were turned off. But nonetheless, I enjoyed this movie. I'm going to say it was my cats. We just say that was my cats. Anyway, I enjoyed this movie. It was pretty good. And yeah. Yeah. I'm scared. Okay, so the last movie we're going to be reacting to is called Her. It's a horror thriller, and I'm guessing it's like a horror psychological. I'm not sure, but it's in another language. So we are going to have to read, the subtitles for the movie. So read along with me, y'all. But this is brought to us by Flicks and Fears. And yeah, we're just going to see what happens. This is our last movie. I don't know what's going on outside, but I'm scared.
Ya llegué. Vamos a ver.
Jigga. I don't know what language this is. I thought it was French.
Pues, ¿qué te digo? Está más pequeño que el anterior, pero sí.
Oh, ¿es
Por una
Spanish?
noche funciona. Está bastante bien. Uy, tienes que pagar cable, ¿no? Al menos una rebaja por eso. Ah, mentira, todo bien. Yo lo tomo y me voy que... Uy,
Where you watch it, buddy?
ya 2 meses sin reloj y todavía mirándolo. Dale pues, dale, de una. Vale, yo te transfiero. Como siempre. Chao pues, estamos hablando.
He's handsome, okay? That's what I'm over here laughing about in my head. Okay. Oh yeah, they look like they're in Spain. I turned on my hallway light, y'all, so I wouldn't be scared. Sushi? I don't like sushi. I don't know why I said like that. It was just interesting because it's like, I'm assuming this is Spain. Oh, Her. That's the name of the movie. But yeah, it's just interesting seeing like different places serve food of a different culture. You know what I'm trying to say.
Buenas noches.
Uy, ¿cómo vamos? ¿Todo bien?
Excelente, siempre excelente. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo pinta la noche?
¿Qué te digo, pues? Míralo tú.
Está
Hey, look for some
interesante.
girls.
Un par de 7s, un 8.
A couple of 7, a solid 8.
Espera, la tengo. La que está atrás, con el libro.
Esa. Y leyendo. No parece tu tipo.
Bueno, ¿qué te digo? Hoy estoy como para retos. Deséame suerte.
Dale.
You should have left her alone, buddy.
No puedo creer que hayan dejado plantada a una mujer como tú.
But tú. Just walk
Lo
away,
siento.
brother.
Mal intento para acercarme. Te dejo.
Es que definitivamente no pueden ver a una mujer sola.
You didn't have to say nothing, baby. You could have let him walk away.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Ángela.
Pues, Ángela, mucho gusto. Marco. ¿Qué pasa? Que te noto como incómoda.
Lo estoy hace un minuto.
No, no lo estás hace un minuto porque te estaba viendo. Pero déjame arreglarlo. Te invito a un trago. ¿Qué estás tomando?
Mira, tú no me conoces. Tampoco te pedí nada.
Hagamos esto.
Leave her alone.
Si en el próximo minuto tú realmente no te sientes...
Not your ex.
¿Pasa algo? ¿Quién es ella?
No, no es nadie. Bueno, me estabas diciendo, entonces... ¿De dónde saliste?
No, you said a game. What happened
Bueno,
to
si
that?
me pasa algo.
Lo sabía. Te rompieron el corazón.
Sí, alguien que necesitaba mucho se me fue.
She wrote your name down.
Pues puedes contarme.
No, olvídalo.
That should know your last name.
Espera, espera. A veces también es bueno desahogarse. Contarle a alguien.
She got that death book. We in a club with them, y'all. Gotta stop drinking. She's showing in her face.
Pero
She's like,
bueno,
I'm just being nice
ya
to
están
you,
cerrando.
but I'm ready
¿Qué
for you
quieres
to
hacer?
leave.
Yo creo que ya me tengo que ir.
¿Qué? No, no,
Eh.
no, no.
Oh, he thought
No me
we
parece
gonna be
bien que te
together.
vayas sola para tu casa.
¿Tú crees? ¿Estás seguro?
Que si estoy seguro. ¿Pasar más tiempo contigo? ¿Dónde firmo?
Where'd her notebook go? You should have just left her be, brother. See, men be looking at a cute face. Women do too. But I'm just
Propongo un
saying.
brindis.
¿Otro?
Ya, el último ya, lo prometo. Por haber ido a ese bar y haberte conocido esta noche.
I'm scared because I don't know what's about to happen, y'all.
Era la primera vez que ibas a ese bar, ¿no?
Claramente. Y sobre esa persona que se fue, que se vaya, que la verdad no te merece.
¿Tú crees?
Estoy seguro. Ya quisiera haber sido yo quien estuviera en su lugar.
No
don't
sabes
know
lo que
her.
dices. Oye, ven, espera. Necesito que me respondas algo primero, antes de que pase algo hoy.
Dime,
¿Quién era esa mujer? La del bar.
Is she who we need to be worried about?
¿qué mujer?
I'm scared, y'all. Because I don't know if she's the problem, that girl the problem, if they working together to be the problem. Like, the way I just put my hand down quietly. Okay.
Bueno, me voy.
Yeah.
Hey, qué lástima que te tengas que ir tan temprano. Pero no te pierdas.
Chao.
Why didn't you tell her to stay tonight? 'Cause she said, well, I better go. Y'all were just staring at each other in silence. You'd just been like, stay with me. Never gonna walk her downstairs. Oh, no. Who's that in that kitchen? Child. I'm petrified.
Sí, ya ahora te transfiero.
Oh,
Ush,
this
pero te
remind me
tengo
of
que
that
contar
other
una
movie.
vaina. Mira que en algún momento de la... ¿Aló?
Who talk like that?
¿Aló?
What?
Propongo un brindis.
¿Otro?
Ya.
What do he see? I can't see Jack, y'all. Look at me.
Que se vaya. Que la verdad no te merece.
¿Tú crees?
Estoy
I
seguro.
thought he was just hearing that in his head.
Ya quisiera haber sido yo quien estuviera en su lugar.
No sabes lo que dices.
Oh, your eyes are creepy, sir. No.
¿Quién era esa mujer? 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 ¿Quién era esa mujer?
¿Estás segura de hacer esto?
Sí. What is going on?
¿Trajo lo que le pedí?
Sí. Su reloj.
¿No
His
habrá vuelta
watch.
atrás?
No me importa.
Oye, que si disfrutaste tu trago.
Boy.
¿Pero qué pasa? ¿Eres así despistado siempre?
I knew she was a problem. She looked like a witch. But the way she looking, like she's suspicious too. Like I said, they in on it.
¿Pasa algo? ¿La conoces?
¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo pinta la noche?
Man,
Está
y'all business
interesante.
ain't got nothing to
Un
do with
par de
y'all.
sietes. 8. Pues Ángela, creer que te han dejado plantado en un lugar como tú.
¿Vas a tomar el apartamento al fin o qué?
No, yo no voy a tomar una mierda. No.
¡Ey! ¡Aló! ¿Pero por qué te vas?
Si esto apenas comienza.
I'm stressed out. I'm stressed, y'all. Y'all know a movie good when I'm just sitting here quiet, just reacting because I'm scared. You mess with the wrong person. Who is the person? The girl? Oh, yes, her.
Te metiste con quien no debías. Te metiste con quien no debías. Te metiste con quien no debías.
Get that mess up out of my ear.
Con quien no debías.
She look crazy. Look
Te
at her
metiste con quien no
eyes.
debías. Te metiste con quien no debías.
¿Quién era esa mujer?
Te metiste
No es nadie.
con quien no
Alguien que necesitaba mucho se me fue.
Te quedarás con ella para siempre.
Pasar más tiempo contigo.
I knew it. Are those wings? Chat, are you dating the devil now? Not the title card being loud like that in my ear. Child. They ate that. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I'm speechless. Okay, I'm 1000% speechless. We came back with 10s across the board. I have not rated any of these movies, but if I had to rate, 9s, 10s, 9 10s. Okay, that movie was crazy. Clearly, he broke Shorty's heart. And she was not having that. But my only question is, did she summon her? Because obviously, you know, we saw the whole thing and she's like, you could be with her forever. But what I'm trying to understand is, like, how did he know? Like, okay, I'm probably overthinking this and I'm probably thinking correctly, but I feel like everything was set up for him. Like, first time going to that bar, but he was communicating with the bar guy like he knew them, like they knew each other, whatever. But I guess it's just how it is in a bar land. You know, I don't go to bars like that. So That's that. But I want to know, I don't know, child. I'm probably overthinking it. I'm probably right. And I'm probably overthinking at the same time. But all I know is this was an amazing film. It had me set. It had me quiet. It had me gagged. It had me everything because, you know, like I said, I was silent and reacting. So yeah, if y'all enjoyed these 3 movies, y'all already know what to do. Thumbs up. Support these creators down below. Like I said, they're in the description. Check out more of their stuff. Y'all let me know if y'all like it. Y'all also can let me know some movies to react to, even though I do have like a backlog, a lot of movies that I gotta react to. But you know, we hear it all the time. It be horror. We got some Christmas time movies coming. Y'all know. Help a girl out. Give me some good movies. That's all I have to say. Subscribe to them. Subscribe to me. Thumbs up this video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.